Hello my friends, today we are going to solve with the easy method that I showed you in a previous video, which I will link below, the NYT Hard Sudoku for today, 23rd of August 2026. Let's begin. Okay, as usual, you know, I am importing the Sudoku puzzle from NYT page into the Sudoku Coach interface, and I will start solving it. So 1. Nothing. 1, no, 2. 2, 2, 2. We have a 2 over here because this line is busy, this line is busy, this is busy, this is free. Okay, I don't see anything else. Number 3. 3, 3, 3. Busy, busy. No. Number 4. I'm going to solve this Sudoku fast and we are going to play tennis. Okay, 5. This column is busy, this is busy, this is busy, this is free. Okay. If you want to understand what I'm doing like this when I'm dragging the columns or the rows, stop the video and replay. Because I want to finish it quick. Okay, 5, 5, 5, 6. Let's see. Number 6. Nothing. 7. Busy, busy, busy. We have 2 7s here. No, I don't see anything. This, no. Number 8. Nothing. Number 9. Busy, busy, we have here, 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 and on this row. So I will put the notes straight away. Okay, let's begin. Number 1, we go from the scratch. We have here a naked hidden 1, naked single 3, naked 7, naked 4, naked 6, naked 5, naked 7, naked 2. This is like a poem, no? It goes too easy. Naked 1, naked 3, hidden 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. We don't have any. This is a naked pair, but it doesn't help us in this position. Okay, let's go with the notes to number 4. Locked candidates. We can eliminate those 2 4s. Oh, number 4. What else? Nothing. In a previous video, I showed you what are the naked singles, naked triples, and quadruples. The most effective techniques to use to solve any hard Sudoku. So in case you don't understand something in this video, I will link it down below to help you with solving this Sudoku, where I explain the techniques with beginner words, let's say. 7, nothing. 8, dong dong dong, I don't see anything. Number 9. Okay, let's see visually. 4, 6, 7, 9. Quadruple. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8, 6, 9, 1, 2, 5. Yeah, a naked single. 6, 9, naked pair on this row. So I will eliminate all the 6 and 9s. And only these 2 will stay here. So I take the 6, 9 from there, we have a 4. We have a 1, and now I take the 6 from here, I take the 6 from here, the 9 from here, and 6, 9, 6, 9 on this column. We take out, we fill the hidden 8, hidden 4, 6, 7, sorry, I pressed, sorry, here. Okay, 9 and 8, 4, 5, 4, 2, 6, 2, 6, naked pair. We are left with an 8, 6, 9 already, 2, 3, 9. What is here? Nothing. Come on, let's go with the notes. 1, 2, we have a hidden 2 here. Okay, number 5. Okay, 6, I think it now is broken, so no, it's not. 1, 4, 7, 2, 6, hidden 5. Okay, I'll go again with the notes. We have a hidden 1 in here. We have a naked 3, naked 2, naked 3. I think it's finished. As you know, I'm using Sudoku Coach because they have highlighted notes. You can try it for yourself to see how much time you spend to solve the puzzle on NYT interface, the hard one, not the easy one or the medium one, the hard one. Now I'm just feeling what's obvious. Okay, and this is it. And now what I'm doing, just filling the results. What is here? 7, 4, 1, 8, 9, 6. But once it was corrected on Sudoku Coach, for sure is also corrected here. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.